Good day. I'm Nikolai. Many questions come on scrolls recently done for specifically one for Atlantia and using black dyed Pergamenata. So made attempt for that using iron glow dyed vellum, and that attempt to dye vellum failed. I believe problem due to mordant, not have enough mordant for a gall on vellum. So used backup strategy, which was Pergamenta. Have done before, many times actually. Have done and basically use leather dye on perg. However, also for experiment now, try using iron gall ink for. So have tried iron gall ink on dry perg, did not get good result. So we'll try with wet. We'll soak perg and put on stretcher, then dye. Also demonstrate process for doing leather dye for perg. Leather dye very easy. Iron gall, try something new. So this is how it was done. So feel free. So now I'm putting on gloves, necessary getting all over. Perg soaked, let's see it in warm water, is stretch. May not be necessary, however found a better safe than sorry. Take dober and take dober gall and then apply. Is pretty straightforward. Much gall ink on dober and spread. Have tried paintbrush and did not leave good surface. So dober been best for gall use. So once to one side, flip, do back side. Nice thing on frame is easy get to, right? Is not have stuff soaking on edges and hitting on other surface. So is nice. Also make sure do well. Here I'm doing 2 coats. 2 coats, see how well go. Maybe go 3, but we'll continue to apply gall until get nice solid color wanted. So see what we have. Also found helpful just lightly rub off, make smoother layer gall on surface. Overall result hopefully better. So not rub hard, just light rub. Waiting now dry for this soaked perg and iron gall. Noticing surface slightly rougher here, soaking perhaps damaged surface piece. Not sure if like let dry is damp still, so let dry tomorrow I'll come back. Okay, so this method that I've used before. I've found some success. No need to stretch, as these work fairly well. Hit too tight. Make sure mochi punte andava. Hit heavy. Keep fingers out. It's good. Yep. This here. I used 5 weeks. So, where? No. We'll notice soaking a lot on surface. So I'll clear, give moment or a few, then we'll wipe off. Rubbing and flip. Don't backside. It's quick. It's minimal preparation of perg. Probably crappy angle. It's not bad. Fingerprints problem. Try to avoid. Hold. You can see dye sits on surface much. So take time, allow to soak a bit. In a few moments we'll wipe off. Let's sit for a few minutes, 10. When what's first location. See, it allows sit. Good soak. Good soak. Always have something back. Back next year. If normally do 2 coats. See fingerprints. Toys. So. Notice with feibing dye, curling of whole sheet just in line of grain. Unlike pergamenata, when all surface damp, whole page react. When paint, Perg react to water in paint, and curl in area only painted. So it's important, have found, to dye the whole page at once. Same struggle here. You can see dye layer will dry. You can see drying spaces, hopefully. Yeah. So dye setting, let's sit for 5-10 minutes, then wipe. Always have found is necessary to wipe off residue from dye sit on surface, not fully permeate. I've tried leave sit for like 2 days, still residue. So always wipe off and find surface react very much like Perg in any other situation. So is very simple. It's very simple. Is question for dyeing for using dye on Perg is very simple. Due to way Perg react to this dye. Soon see how we react with gall. Okay, pleasantly surprised. This result, gall ink on Perg after soaking. Going down on dry, not so good. Not sure why. However, going down wet with good soaking, nice. So next up is trim. So this is, not really necessary to video, but for I don't know, what is it, completion sake, I guess. Essentially just trim. Go to where, because you can see, which is why use these pieces used test piece, right? These were 8 by 11, something like that. 5 by 7? No. What is 7 by 10? So so it's trimmed down. Not very hard. Stick down there. Yeah. Nice. I'll do this, then come back. And now, experimental results. So, this Perg with gall ink. Concern about the rough surface. Slightly rougher, but I think will work. Have test pieces around. Tossed to side somewhere. Tossed off to side. This will experiment anyway. Remainder of sheet is 9.5 by 6 1/4. 6 1/4? 6 1/4 or 6 1/2? 6 1/3. So easy enough. Easy enough for small sheet and practice, or sort of bigger sheet. So try this Perg with feibing dye. So difference in process, right? Result similar. Right? Is feibing dye slightly more mottled, slightly more shiny. Is quick and dirty method. Make okay. This much better. Much better. Is Perg with iron gall, so is different. Shade slightly different, obviously. So, but good. So, is two methods using Perg. Now, we'll be doing vellum again, attempt vellum with gall. Need more gall ink. Note, two vials, 2 mil, 3 mil, 2 mil vials needed for these. Needed was three layers, 3 layers angle both sides, so much not inconsiderable amount of ink, but the result, you know, if want good. So is that, and feibing's die on Perg. So there you go. Please feel free, ask questions if have. Try to make simple and clear on the method. Making of stretching frame, pretty simple. Is just wood in alligator clips with rubber band. Soaking was just water. For the soaking was just water, and there we go. Just let get wet for like 5 minutes and start. Thank you very much. Hope was help. Feel free to ask questions, and either reach out to self or Patron. Patron also help. And good luck. Good luck with dying. Yes.